I'm from Uganda. I came in the UK January 2015 on a voluntary basis because of the circumstances that happened to me. I'm happy I'm here, but the other part I'm not happy. Like, I don't know what is coming. My life was like broken into pieces. My friend Phil from the refugee center told me the advert for Streetfootball Wales. I was like, maybe I can learn how to play the football. The first day I went there, I was welcomed, which I didn't expect. Like, all the girls and the coach were like welcoming, and then I played and I was selected to go for the Homeless World Cup, and that brought me back to life. Like, it's just made me feel I can go further. In September, I joined the college last year. I want to be a paramedic. Football made me like, you can do it, because the football made me do this. It made me like concentrate more on my studies. I met people with love. They showed me a sense of belonging. I love it in my heart.